The ThermoMate 24-inch electric wall oven offers a compact built-in footprint with a surprisingly generous 2.8 cubic foot capacity, making it a strong fit for smaller kitchens that still need real baking space. With 5 distinct cooking modes and a sensor that tracks internal temperature up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everyday baking, broiling, grilling, and warming with far more precision than a basic oven. Heat retention is excellent thanks to the triple-layer tempered glass door, which keeps the exterior cooler to the touch while maintaining stable temperatures inside for more even cooking. The enamel interior and included baking tray resist corrosion and wipe down easily, and the removable door makes deep cleaning far less of a chore than on many built-in units. I appreciate the recessed control knob with its subtle light ring because it reduces the chance of accidental changes to the settings and remains easy to see during evening cooking. Its clean black styling and standard 24-inch cutout compatibility allow it to integrate smoothly under a variety of cooktops, whether induction, ceramic, or gas, for a cohesive modern kitchen layout.